Hello and welcome to the Netdata version 1.46 release notes. The main areas Netdata has improved since the last release are: dynamic configuration is out of beta. With dynamic configuration out of beta, we added the user config preview and the ability to submit a configuration to multiple nodes. You can configure collectors right from the integration section and manage alerts directly from any chart or the dedicated alerts tab. Netdata subscriptions on AWS Marketplace. You can now subscribe to Netdata directly from the AWS Marketplace. We are sure that this addition will streamline your billing processes and make things easier to manage for your finance team. Native Windows support. Netdata's current codebase can now be compiled on Windows and run smoothly on all versions of the Windows operating system. Currently, this feature is in the internal testing phase. We are working on packaging it and adding Windows-specific collectors. In the next Netdata release, we will provide binary packages for Microsoft Windows. Okta and OpenID SSO authentication. You can now effortlessly manage your team's access with SSO through Okta or OpenID integrations. This feature ensures streamlined access and heightened security across your systems. We are now looking into building the next step to allow you to manage your users' roles and permissions. Time-based retention. Netdata now offers a more granular approach to data retention, allowing you to manage storage based on both time and disk space. This update provides greater control and helps you optimize storage usage for your specific needs. There are 3 tiers by default, with limits of 14 days on high resolution, 3 months on the middle tier, and 2 years on the low resolution tier. With these settings, Netdata now needs approximately 4 GB of storage space to operate. You can also fine-tune these settings by applying either a time or size configuration. In detail, if you set the size limit to 0 and the time limit something greater than 0, the retention behavior will be time-based. That means that the data is stored for a specific duration regardless of disk usage. Flipping the tables, if you set the time limit of 0 and then a size limit of something greater than 0, then the retention behavior will be space-based, which means that data is stored until it reaches a certain amount of disk space, regardless of time. The last combination you can do is add a limit for both time and size. Now that's a combined retention behavior, and it takes into consideration both time and space limits. So the data will be deleted once it reaches either the time limit or the disk space limit, whichever comes first. Database compression. Netdata now utilizes ZSTD compression within its database engine, significantly reducing the storage space required for your monitoring data. This translates to a mere 0.5 bytes per sample on disk for the high resolution tier. ClickHouse Collector. Netdata now ships with a native ClickHouse Collector, which collects performance data from ClickHouse for connections, queries, resources, replication, I/O, and data operations using HTTP requests and ClickHouse system tables. OpenTelemetry Compatibility. All the units in our charts and metrics are now compatible with the Unified Code for Units of Measure (UCUM). This alignment ensures precision, consistency, and ease of integration across diverse systems, paving the way for more seamless observability and monitoring experiences. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to enhance our platform. Notification integrations. Lastly, we have added more notification integrations to our arsenal. You can now send your Netdata alerts from Netdata Cloud to Splunk, VictorOps, and Microsoft Teams. And these were our highlights, but there is way more at our full release notes, so make sure to take a look at the description to read more. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stick around for more.